Warning: the following film features stunts performed either by complete idiots or under the supervision of complete idiots. Accordingly, Mr. Swider and the producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed in this film. Seriously, don't do any of this dumbass shit. My name is Ian, this is my tea party. What you doing, man? What you doing? Newton's first law of motion states that when an object is in a state of motion, it will stay in that state of motion unless acted on by an external force. In this case, the object that was in motion was me, Ian, thrown in a state of motion by Mike. When my body hit the table, my state of motion was disrupted. The table and the floor acted as an external force which is applied to me, the object, in motion. Basically, by having Mike throw me through a table, it demonstrated Newton's first law of motion in that my motion was disrupted by an external force.
Adi's dumbass. Oh shit! Oh, it's ice!
Newton's second law of motion states that the force an object exerts to his mass, m, times his acceleration, a. So in equation form, F equals ma. In this case, the force exerted by the shopping cart onto the pile of ice was equal to the shopping cart plus the person's mass times his acceleration. So the force of the shopping cart equals the mass of the shopping cart times the acceleration of the shopping cart, which accurately demonstrates Newton's second law.
Oh!
Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In this video, Newton's third law was demonstrated through having James and Arslan run at each other with exercise balls. When they collided, equal and opposite reactions were created and they were both pushed in opposite directions.
The injustice